Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly show you my XMCOSY solar pathway lights. So the reason why I got these is because these are RGB lights, so that means they are color, plus they also have an option of warm white. So you gotta pick which one you want, and you can set it either off, RGB, or warm white. So I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna show you what's inside, and then I'm gonna go set it up in my yard so you can see how it looks. So when you take it out of the box, you see everything is wrapped in this foam, this styrofoam, and it comes with a quick instruction and a setup manual. And over here on the back of the box, it shows you more information about the features of the light. I'm just going to scroll through. I'm not going to read it right over there. So I'm going to slide this over. I'm going to show you what's like inside the box, so you can see exactly how it's packaged. And you see it's got this brushed bronze finish, but it's made of stainless steel. And this is not shattered, it's just got that shattered look. This is like a lot more high-end than the ones you usually see. Usually you see like the cheap plastic stuff. This is stainless steel, so it's a lot higher quality than the typical stuff you see usually. Over here are the feet. So the way these work is this part is just plastic, and that's gonna connect into here. I'm gonna set it all up so you can see. Sorry, so I was sticking in wrong before. This part slides out right here, and this is the part that's going to stick in the ground. So you're gonna take the metal pole, you're gonna push it in over here. Push it until it's nice and tight, and then on the other side you're going to put that like that. So let's just lay it out so you can see how it looks. So that's how it's going to look, and then you just stick it on the ground, the plastic part, and you'd have a nice steady light. The plastic is good because it won't corrode or anything. Yeah, that's the part that goes in the dirt. To turn it on, you have to open up this cap. So you just do a little like twist to the right, and then over here is the controls. Sorry, it's upside down, so let me turn it here so you can read it. So over here you can see it's off, W for warm white, and you got RGB for the color. And over here you can see that's the white, and then over here is color. And in here is the internal battery. And we're just gonna leave that right there. So this is solar, right? So when it's covered here, it's gonna turn on. When it's uncovered, right, you got sunlight, it's gonna be off, right? See? And you see it's got a tiny LED. It's really cool. But we're gonna see it at night to see how it looks. I'm gonna start off with RGB so you can see how it looks, and because that's one I prefer anyway, because it's a lot cooler than the classic warm white. So I'm gonna go set these all up in my yard. You're just gonna do the same setup for all these, right? You're gonna take this part, slide it out, slide that part into there, and flip this around and stick it in there, and then just stick them into the yard. So it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's a 6-pack. So we're gonna put 3 on each side of my pathway, and I'll show you how it looks. So here they have them all set up, ready to go. Just a little heads up, when you put it into the ground, you don't want to be pushing it by the top over here, because you're risking shattering this. So what you really want to do is hold it by the side and push it in. If that's difficult, you want to push by the top, then you wouldn't attach this first. You would just take the pole and the bottom part, shove that into the ground, and then afterwards put the cap on top. Because you could break the glass, you could break the solar panel, so you just want to be a little more careful when you do that. So we're going to go set up, and you'll tell me what you think. So over here you can see the lights all set up. So we're going to go in a little closer. It looks a little blurry, just because that's at night. So it's hard to really capture the beauty of these in a video. But we're going to try to zoom in a little so you can see. Let's zoom out a little. We're going to zoom in. We're going to walk down the path so you can see how it looks. The lighting is very bad over here. But you can see how it makes a nice pattern on the bottom, and the lights change colors. So thanks for watching my video of the XMCOSY RGBW. So these are color changing ones, but you could also make them plain white if you want, but I think the color is a lot nicer and looks really cool. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and have an amazing day.